What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are not working on one of my trucks or any of my trucks. We are going to be working on my backyard. I'm super excited. We're going to be pouring a slab back here. So we've been already running around this morning trying to get some materials ready. So I've been wanting to get a slab back here poured for a little while now, so that way I can work on my trucks. I'm running out of space on the other side, so it's kind of small. It's only like 12 feet. On this side is going to be 20 feet by 52 feet long. I'll be able to have both of my trucks back here, and then my shed I'm going to move back to this side. I got my brother-in-law helping me out today. We're waiting on the guys to come and stump grind two stumps that are in the way. That one right there and that one. That way we can get this poured next weekend. So we're gonna go ahead and get these materials taken down. We're gonna get this vinyl skirting taken off from my house. That way we can pour the slab right up to the edge of the house, and then later on I'll go ahead and put it back on. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video and start working on this backyard. So we got the laser all set up. We're gonna go ahead and shoot some grades. What I want to do is I want to get the grade off my existing slab on this side, and I want to give it the same elevation on this side, and then I'm only going to give it like half an inch to an inch drop. That way the water doesn't flow this way and it flows out that way. And so let's go ahead and shoot some grades. I got everything set up already. I'm gonna grab some grades and get everything shot. Alright guys, well, guy that's gonna be doing the stump grinding for me, this guy here, he's gonna be taking care of those two stumps. He's here, ready to get grinding. He's already started on one. He's got the other one and a few to go, but we're gonna keep going and get this thing formed up. Man, it's hot out. We got that whole side over there on that side formed up. We're gonna go ahead and give it an inch and a half fall from that way, this way. That way the water can drain. You guys can see, we had to dig this trench because the dirt's too high. So we're busting our butts to try and get this side all dug up, get it formed up. All I gotta do is block it off here, get this graded out a little bit. The guy from the stump grinder, he went to go get some more fuel, but he's got one more stump to remove right here, and then we'll be wrapping these thing up, and then hopefully next week we can get this poured. I'm gonna make it all on one video. That way it's all in one video. It's all part of the slab. But let's keep going. Well guys, we finally finished. We got everything graded out, ready to go. I'm gonna set up the concrete tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. I'm gonna set it for next weekend. But everything's ready to go, all graded out, nice and flat. We got my compadre that got here, and we got my buddy Juan that got here. So we haven't made some videos on this truck, but he's been doing some work little by little. But he did the whole interior, did the black door panels, he did the black dashboard, he got the sunroof done, he got the seats wrapped, leather, the V6 revamp. It ain't no V6 no more. Y acá el camarada pelón sacó esta chulada mamalona. Look at this baby. This thing is beautiful. 2019 TF250 Platinum. That thing is nice. Congratulations to my tocayo for this badass purchase. He came out to support and help out on the slab. So hopefully you're gonna make it, right, to pour it?
Oh, to pour, yeah.
Saturday. But there you guys have it. We got the slab good, all graded. We got the trucks. We're just having a good time. We're gonna go ahead and order some wings and some pizza. Gonna wrap it up for today. And next weekend we'll start on the slab. What's up, guys? So we're back at it. We started early this morning. We put some grades up, that way when we pour this concrete we got grades that we can go off of because it's too wide. I got my brother-in-law, my stepdad's nephew, helping me out today, chilling. We got all the tools already, bow float over here, Fresno, come-alongs, boots, floats, everything. We're ready to go. So we're gonna wait for this concrete to get here. It should be here at 9. It's like 8:30 right now, so we got like 30 minutes. As soon as it gets here, we'll start shooting some more video. That way you guys can watch how we pour this slab down. Concrete just got here, guys. We're gonna get ready to get this thing poured. You see the truck right there. Camaradas, Eladio, El Tocayo, they came out to help. Thanks for coming out. We got this baby already all poured. We got just this spot right here we need to finish. El compadre anda allá escondido. ¿Qué haces allá, compadre? He's looking for gold down there. You're gonna have a lot of fun trying to find it. We're waiting for the next truck. We got 5 more yards coming. And then once it gets here, we're gonna finish pouring this thing. Acá el compadre es pintor, pero hoy anda de cementero.
Aquí le hacemos de todo menos de lo que
ya saben.
Hay que ser decentes como quiera.
Y acá el camarada Hilario. Aguas, aguas, que te clavas. Aguas.
Estaba echando el cemento en el otro hoyo.
Dile. Güey, es para que quede sellado.
Hay que prevenir porque
we got just this little bit, and we're gonna be wrapping it up. My cuñado over there anda acabando el güey, dice que es acabador. ¿Verdad, güey? ¿Eres acabador? Acabador de paciencia. Acá el sobrino en chinga. Hay que sacar a todos aquí en el video vlog. We gotta get everybody in the vlog. ¿Ya está? ¿Le doy? Ahora me toca a mí.
Bueno, por uno.
Si no son espadas.
Star Wars. Yeah, we already sweaty.
Creo que quiere problemático del audio.
¿Qué quieren?
Ando buscando fleco por todo.
¿Qué quieren? ¿Qué quieren conmigo?
Well, guys, we just finished. Check it out. This thing looks freaking amazing. Look at this thing. Looks awesome. My brother-in-law over here is getting down, doing his finishing work right here. Pero no le gusta salir en la cámara. Dice que está muy guapo para la cámara. Aquí sí, Oaxaco. Oaxaco. We're getting ready to wrap things up. My wife is gonna make some food for us so we can lunch out. Once this thing is all done, broomed, drying up, we're gonna sit down and have something to eat. But check it out, guys. I'm gonna go inside and record the wife. She doesn't like to be on camera. I gotta clean my feet because then she's gonna... I gotta clean my feet. Si no, me va a cagar. She doesn't like to be on camera, guys. But she got down. Thank you, babe. Let's see. Some salad. Some rice. Some mole. Mira. Puro pinche teléfono.
No porque estás grabando, si no estuvieras igual.
No, yo casi no uso mi teléfono. Right, babe?
All the time.
Alright, guys. We get some food. Alright, guys, so there you guys have it. We finally finished the slab. It is freaking complete. This thing looks awesome. I freaking love it. I'm super excited. We have some more stuff coming. This is gonna be my work area here where I'm gonna be working on my trucks. I'm gonna move my shed over and stuff. This is where I'm gonna park my white truck and my dually and whatever I need. This is my spot here. I just want to say, give a huge thank you guys for coming out, to my cuñado for coming out and helping me the 2 days that we were getting this thing ready. El sobrino Ángel, para el compadre Alex, el camarada Eladio, mi tocayo Pelón. Thank you guys for coming out and helping get this thing poured. So you guys made it a lot easier. So that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I did pick up the OBS already, so we're gonna be making some more videos on the OBS. She's finally out of the shop. The paint is all complete, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching.